Hey guys, welcome to Joykoo channel. If you are new here, my name is Alan. Come for the lithium battery tips and hammer bread. We all know any story technology is changing the way we live. So if you want to build an off-grid solar power system, you will get an inverter and the battery. And in the last video, we tested the inverter with Joykoo other battery connected for off-grid solar power system, and we testing it by this load machine. And today, I want to test another battery. This is from Joykoo ESS 5000 mAh, 51.2 volt, 100 amp hour life pure for battery rack type, and still use this DEYE 5 kilowatt hybrid type inverter. Now I finished the work connection from the battery positive and negative terminals. I use 4 cable connect to the inverter, and the communication cable also connect with the battery and the inverter. And now I will start this load machine. Today I also will use about 5 kilowatts load power for testing this system. Okay, start. Last time I used 4.4 kilowatts for the testing, and the load power is about 5 kilowatts. And today I will use 4.5 kilowatts. Let's check how much working power we'll get from this system. 5.168 kilowatts. And the battery is 5.48 kilowatts. The load power is 5.2 kilowatts. Discharge currents always around 110 amp. But it's still working. The battery is getting alarm, so I will change the power. 4.3. Let's try. Now it's 4.9 kilowatts. 4.912 kilowatts. And now the discharge current is 104. Now it's full power, load power for this inverter, and full power for this battery. But it gets alarm. Let's check how many times it can working. Because I just use one piece this battery. I just start one piece. Now it's 2 minutes past. The system is still working. Let's try 4.1. 4.6 kilowatts. And the inverter is 4.7. Okay, 4.7. How about the battery? Now the battery discharge current is 99 amp, and voltage is 49.9. Now alarm is gone, and the battery is working good, and discharge current is 100. Now it's almost the full discharge for this battery, because this battery, the BMS discharge current limited is 100, and the peak current can do, I think, 120 like this. But now it's almost full discharge current for support this system. This is a rack type battery, and if you get few pieces, you can like this use these brackets stacked the battery together. And if you use this brackets for installation this battery system, you can use this standard bus bar for connecting the battery to battery. We can connect it 4-piece or 5-piece, maximum support 15-piece, connected together in parallel. Can use this bus bar. Okay, now if I start one more battery for this system, what will happen? 1, 2, 3. Okay, this 52 and here 12.7 amp. This battery discharge current now is 61 amp. And the working current now is 4.6 kilowatts. From the inverter, the discharge current is 96. And let's see how about the 4.6, 4.69, 4.64, almost same. Okay, 48. This one, 48. So now this one is around 50. This one is around 50. Half. If 10 kilowatts is not enough, you can add one more. Let's see if I use one more, what would happen? Okay, see, 16, 14, around 50. This one, 55, 49 amp. Okay, add one more again. Let's see, 8, 11, 16, and here 47. And the connection, this is communication cable from the battery to battery, battery to battery, battery to battery, and then from the battery to inverter. This is RS485 and the CAN connector. This plug is connected to the main battery to inverter communication. And 4-piece battery connected by this bus bar. Okay, see. Discharge current now is 95.5 amp. And the battery temperature is 15. Okay, now it's good. And let's check. Let's check something here. 18. The most temperature now is 29. This one is 17. And how about this one? This is 15 and the most is 18. And this one, and then I will stop this. Now it's around 10 minutes later. I will stop the loading and I will turn on the grid power. Let's see. Okay, now the grid power is coming, and now the grid power is charging the battery. The charging current is 54.9, around 55. Grid power. Okay. Now the battery. This battery charging current is 17 amp. The second one is 12.8 amp. And the third one is around 12 amp. The last one is 11 amp. Okay, just now I testing this system. The 35 kilowatt hybrid inverter connected with Joykoo type 5 kilowatt hour life fuel for battery. This lithium phosphate battery use prismatic cell 100 amp hour, 16 piece in series, and with smart BMS, but this BMS without Bluetooth part. If you want a Bluetooth, we can add the Bluetooth part in this battery. You also can check the battery details by your phone. And this is, I think, is a very good design for installation, because if you get few pieces, we will give you the brackets for installation. It is very easily for installation, and you can use the bus bar, 2-piece bus bar for battery parallel connection. And this battery cycle life is very long, and I think you can use for more than 10 years. So a suitable off-grid solar power system, you firstly need a good inverter for translate the DC power to AC power. And the good inverter can control the whole system working, like if the battery have low voltage or over discharge, the inverter can choose the power from grid power, from AC power, or from the solar panels, PV power. So the battery can get a good protection. The first is inverter. So you need to choose a good brand, good inverter like DEYE or Globot. And then the battery, you need to choose a safety and longer cycle life and good design for installation and working performance, need a stable performance. That's all for choose the power system, inverter and the battery. So, and today I use almost the full load power for testing the whole system. For this inverter, 5 kilowatt load power, and for this battery, 5 kilowatt load power. And this battery BMS, the discharge current, continuous discharge current is 100 amp hour, but just now we tested is around 110 amps for one piece Joykoo 5 kilowatt hour life fuel for battery discharging. And the load power just now is around 5.2 kilowatts for the whole system. But this battery, when you discharge it by 110 amps discharge current, it still can working around 2 or 3 minutes. But if you keep the 100 amp hour discharging current, it's working very good. And then I add 3 piece more in this system. The whole energy is 20 kilowatt hour, still working very good. So I think this system is a good choice for you if you want to build an off-grid solar power system for your home. Joykoo battery and the inverter. Okay, that's all today. How do you think this system, if you want to build an off-grid solar power system, do you like to choose the inverter and Joykoo battery? If you like my videos, if you have any questions and suggestions, please comment down below. And if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos. That's all today. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.